Jesus went through the towns and villages, teaching in their synagogues, proclaiming the good news of the kingdom and healing every disease and sickness. Matthew 9, verse 35. He himself bore our sins in his body on the cross, so that we might die to sins and live for righteousness. By his wounds you have been healed. 1 Peter 2, verse 24. Then they cried to the Lord in the trouble, and he saved them from their distress. He sent out his word and healed them. He rescued them from the grave. Psalm 107, verse 19 to 20. He said to her, "Daughter, your faith has healed you. Go in peace and be freed from your suffering." Mark 5, verse 34. When evening came, men who were demon-possessed were brought to him, and he drove out the spirits with a word and healed all the sick. This was to fulfill what was spoken through the prophet Isaiah. He took up our infirmities and bore our diseases. Matthew 8, verse 16 to 17. A cheerful heart is a good medicine, but a crushed spirit dries up the bones. Proverbs 17, verse 22. The Lord will keep you free from every disease. He will not inflict you the horrible diseases you knew in Egypt, but he will inflict them on all who hate you. Deuteronomy 7, verse 15. Lord my God, I called to you for help, and you healed me. Psalm 30, verse 2. But for you, who revere my name, the Son of my righteousness will rise with healing in its rays, and you will go out and frolic like well-fed cows. Malachi 4, verse 2. Jeremiah 30, verse 17. But I will restore you to health and heal your wounds, declares the Lord. And the people all tried to touch him, because the power was coming from him and healing them all. Luke 6, verse 19. Peace I leave with you, my peace I give you. I do not give you as the world gives. Do not let your hearts be troubled, and do not be afraid. John 14, verse 27. Each of these